Hello, so let me show you how to add a drop shadow to text in Photoshop. Just in your photo, go to text tool, then just write your text, whether your title, maybe you're creating a poster. Just write, I'm going to write drop shadow. Then make sure that the text is selected, then go to FX, select drop shadow. Then as you can see, the drop shadow is added automatically, but then you can do some adjustments at the angle or you want the drop shadow to appear. You can make it either you multiply it, you can darken it, you can add, you can manipulate all those things. Of course, there is also the distance of the shadow. Then there is noise. You can add noise if you want to. If you want to completely destroy the shadow to look like something darker background like that, right? You see this, it is actually very easy. So we use this one sometimes to create our thumbnails, as you'll see the thumbnail of this video. And then let me write another one here, drop shadow. Then I'm gonna change it to white so you see how it looks. Just select the text color, then click OK. Then make sure the text is selected. Then the same process, FX, drop shadow, then do the adjustments. This time I'm gonna try with a little of noise. You see that? That's some noise. Alright. So the white and black is actually cool. Compare it with the pink on the pink on black. Alright, this is very easy. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you know these very tricks I'm posting every week. I can post 3 per week, 2 per week. Okay, after you're done with your thing, just save, and then you're good to go.